I want to share to you guys our spicy. This is the paprika, and this one is the cumin one, and this is the paprika powder, and this is the garlic, brown garlic, and the last one is brown onion, and that's it. That I use spices every day. And thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe of my channel, and share of my video, guys. And thank you so much, and more power. God bless us all. Have a nice day, and happy Thursday to each and everyone.